Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is pumping right now. I did close my long position earlier today, which was not smart because after this 14,000 Bitcoin were bought in 1 hour and it pumped up the price. However, I do still have the Bitcoin that I bought in spot position open. Now we're going to look at it. What does this 14,000 Bitcoin buy mean? And what we're going to jump into the technicals. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 70,000 people. Today I got Twitter verified as well, which is awesome. I'm now verified on Twitter, meaning I have this blue Twitter check mark next to my name. There's many fake accounts being created from Instagram on Twitter every day. So now only make sure you talk to the Twitter, make sure it's got the blue verified marker. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So the technicals for Bitcoin, and this was the pump in the last hour. Look at this. Bitcoin shooting up, 14,000 Bitcoin shot up. My Bitcoin trade, if I didn't close that long, would be awesome. I still have my 1.5 Bitcoin spot position though. Look at this long. It was a 14,800 Bitcoin buy in 1 hour. You can see up here. So I'm going to show you again. 14,800 Bitcoin was bought in the last hour, and that just exploded the price. And in my opinion, it's the Russian people trying to go into Bitcoin as soon as possible. That's what I think is happening. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the daily, we're oversold. We're heading up very strongly, and it looks like it's invalidating this head and shoulders pattern. Earlier today, I made a video showing that we're having a kind of head and shoulders playing out, but it invalidated that head and shoulders. Huge volume. This indicator, the Bitcoin indicator, had a buy here when we had that big drop down to 34,000, and still buy volume coming in, stochastic heading up. On the 4 hourly, also a huge volume, stochastic heading up, and it looks bullish. It invalidated this inverse head and shoulders now, and it's playing out this inverse head and shoulders that we have here, which is a bullish pattern. We've got shoulder, head, shoulder on the shorter time frame. If it breaks this neckline, Bitcoin can really go for a run here. Look at that, 39,700. Bitcoin is just pumping right now, and it looks like it's already broken the resistance of this neckline. So this should take us, if Bitcoin can run here, we could be going back to this big resistance here at 44,000. So closing my long position in the last video was a terrible mistake, but based off the technicals, it was a good decision because on the bigger time frame, we had a big head and shoulders playing out here. But this pump is invalidating this big head and shoulders, and now it's looking bullish. We've got a lot of volume coming in, and on the hourly, stochastic is overbought, but still heading up, and we're at this big neckline. Where I would go long on Bitcoin now, where I'd add to a long, is if we manage to break above here, test this 39,600 and then move up with volume. This would indicate a good position to go long, and I would open the long from this bounce. I would go long with a tight stop loss. My stop loss just below these previous 36,000. Actually, no, I would make it a tighter stop loss here. Below these major, 37,698, and my take profit at 44,000. This would give us a 2-ratio trade, risking 2,000 to make 4,300. Bitcoin is pumping right now, and this pump of this 14, look at this volume that shot up here. You can see the volume sticking out. That was almost 15,000 Bitcoin bought in that last hour, 1 hour ago, and that's what shot up the price. But that's good because it invalidates the bigger head and shoulders, the bigger head and shoulders. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video. Here underneath the video, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button. Join nearly 70,000 subscribers that we're going to hit today. Click the join button to follow my trades in Bitcoin, stocks, crypto. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, Bitcoin trading, Bybit link. I'm using this software, this Bybit trading software. So again, the link is down below. Go down, click this link, sign up, and you get a sign up bonus of 4,100. I use Bybit because it's the best exchange in my opinion, one of the biggest. If you're using other exchanges and you get liquidated easily or you have really high fees, I really like Bybit because it's better than those exchanges, and that's why I use it. Again, underneath this video, Bitcoin trading Bybit link, sign up bonus 4,100 US dollars. Click it, sign up. When you deposit Bitcoin, you get the bonus. In this account, I have now 101,700. My account went up almost $3,000 since I made that last video 2 hours ago. We're up around $3,000, 2,700 or something like this since that video a few hours ago. In here, I've got 1.5 Bitcoin. I closed my long, but I didn't close my spot. I've got 21,000 of USD. I've got Bit, almost $14,000 of Bit. And in my opinion, Bit can go for a run. What I also like Cake, the cryptocurrency Cake, and I'm waiting for it to be, and the stock market didn't open that low, which is quite amazing. Look at Tesla, up 3% today. Tesla is up, the stock market's pumping, Uber is up. Even though there's potential world war, we're getting pumped up in the stock market, which is quite amazing. The token that I really like that I would buy, BNB, is up 5%. Look at BNB. BNB is also making this giant inverse head and shoulders. On the 4-hourly, BNB looking also very amazing. And on the daily, BNB extremely oversold, heading up with a lot of volume. BNB actually came all the way down to 325, but it's looking very bullish here. So I'm going to buy BNB here. So I'm going to open a long on BNB. And my long, I would open it now. So BNB is an altcoin. It's the Binance exchange. It's the biggest exchange in the world. Bybit is one of, I think, top 4. I'm going to open a long now, and the resistance, I think, will be at 515. That's a 2 ratio trade. So I'm going to open this, so every dollar I risk, $2 gain. So I'm going to open maybe a $10,000 trade on BNB. So I'm going to open a long on BNB right now. Oops, here we go. Opening a long, open, market long, BNB. So I just opened a long, and since I clicked that long, the long is open. It's a 10x trade, so it's a $10,000 trade. My BNB long is open. My take profit is going to be, and my stop loss will be beneath this support, so beneath 310, and my take profit is 515. So 310 will be my stop loss, and my take profit is 515, which will give me $3,600 profit. Confirm. That trade is set. My BNB trade is set now. It's fluctuating a lot. It's down 1% right now. I'm going to buy spot of BNB. So I'm going to buy spot position of BNB as well. BNB. They don't have spot of BNB. Okay, the other spot that I want to buy is Cake. So I'll buy BNB on my Binance exchange. So I'm going to go over, actually, I'll do it quickly. I'm going to go over my Binance exchange. I've got another exchange here. In this account, I have $28,000 and I'm going to buy BNB on this exchange. So I'm going to convert my US dollars. I'm going to go half of the US dollars into BNB. So say $14,000. Can buy BNB, confirmed. Now my order is set, done. So I just converted. So now I've got 14,000 of BNB and I've got $12,000 of USDT on that account. So I bought spot BNB. I'm also liking Cake pumping like crazy. Cake is very oversold in my opinion. It's down at a major support here. I really like Cake USDT and it's turning to head up. The only thing is if Bitcoin pulls back, the alts are kind of got demolished, but this could be a place that Cake could run. At the high, Cake was almost reached a price. Back here, you could see in April 2021, reached a price of 42. In November, it reached a price of 21. So now we're sitting at $6. And we're on a strong support here. Cake is Pancake Swaps exchange. So I really like Cake. So I'm going to buy some Cake here on my Bybit account. Cake, K-A. This is Pancake Swap. So it's a decentralized exchanges token. I'm not going to buy a lot because I think if Bitcoin pulls back, the alts will pull back very quickly. But I'm going to buy around $10,000 of Cake. Confirm, buy Cake. Done. My order is set for Cake. It's trying to execute, but it's sitting underneath this bigger order. Let's see if my order looks like it's about to be filled on Cake. So beautiful. I'm buying $10,000 worth of Cake. Awesome. So that's what I just bought. So I bought BNB, and my account now has $103,000 in it. So as you've been watching, my account just went up. How much? I had in this account 101,000 or something when you just watched it like a few minutes ago. Now it's at almost 103,000. My BNB trade is up $10 since I made that trade. Beautiful. And my Cake order is going through. It's filling up nicely. So those are the orders I just made. Now we're sitting at 103,000. So Bitcoin is pumping. My Bitcoin long would have been massively in the profits if I didn't close it. But I had to be careful on that potential head and shoulders playing out. So Bitcoin is pumping. It's above 40,000. Look at it go. And Bitcoin is above 40,000 now as I'm making this video. I got to release this video quickly. But look, it's trying to fight with this major. So the target would be, it's breaking out right now. So the target is 44,000. So I'm going to open a long on Bitcoin as well. A small long, open long. Let's do a $500 Bitcoin USDT. Let's do a $1,000 long, which is a $10,000 trade. Open long, confirm. And I've got a long open on Bitcoin as well now, a $10,000 long. And I'll put the target as 44,000. So I'm going to set the stop loss and take profit. Take profit, 44,000. And the stop loss is going to be just underneath where we're sitting right now. Just here, underneath these major supports, 39,300. 39,000. 300. So I'm risking $320 to make $934 on this Bitcoin trade. Beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is now up $27 since I opened it a second ago. My BNB trade is up $32 since I opened it a few seconds ago. And my account now has 100 and just under, how much is it now? Just under 103,000 in it, which is up a few $1,000s since I just started making this video. Beautiful. So that's what I'm doing. Again, if you want to do the trades like you just saw me do, underneath this video, you just click down here, Bybit trade, sign up. You get sign up bonus 4,100 when you deposit Bitcoin. And this is the trading software that I just used on Bybit, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. In the time of this, I think it's like a 7-minute video, you just saw me buy $10,000 of cake. You saw me open a $10,000 BNB long. You saw me open a $10,000 Bitcoin long. And you saw my account go from 101,000 something to 103,000. And those trades being in the positive, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up. And this is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.